So for discounts and coupons and things like that, you're going to head over here to discounts. This will be the hub of where all your codes will live. Create discount. This will give you the option to amount off products. So if you wanted to give $2 off every pair of leggings, you can do that through here. Amount off order. So if you want, say you have a special of spend $75, get $10 off, you can do that one here. Buy X, get Y. That's great for BOGOs. Buy 2, get 1. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. Buy 4, get 2 free. It could be anything. Free shipping. This will be a minimum. So you could do spend $25, get free shipping. Get $30, get free shipping. This is super simple. You make your discount code here. Say we want it to be happy. This is amount off products. So you can do a percentage. So if you want 10% off leggings, you can do that. Let's do leggings. Leggings and capri. Boom. Add that. Here is minimum purchase requirements. You can do, all right, we want to have a minimum of $100 spent, or we can do minimum of 5 items, and that will give 10% off each item if they buy 5. Customer eligibility. You can do all products, all customers. You can give specific customers this deal. You can do specific customer segments, which would mean if you wanted to add tags to certain customers, you can do that. This can limit how many times it's used in total. Say you only want one person to use it, put 1. If you want limit to 1 per customer, do that one. So now each customer in your whole database ever can use it 1 time. This right here, you can combine it with shipping discounts. I don't usually use these. It ends up making you give a bigger discount than what's necessary, I find. But you can use that with what you want. Active dates, you can make it, say we want to start on Thursday the 16th at noon. We can do that. We can change that here on noon. Set an end date. We want it to end on, let's say, Sunday at midnight. If you want Sunday at midnight, you would actually click Monday and go at the top, 12 a.m. That would be Sunday at midnight. And then you would just save this. And now you have your happy discount scheduled. I'll go through another one with it. I'll do buy 2, get 1. Say we want buy 2, get 1. That can be the code name. Minimum quantity of items. So how many items do they have to buy to get this discount? Let's say, for example, 2 items. Any items from. You can do specific products or specific collections. I like the collections. You're going to like the collections because I set all of your collections up to be automatic. Say we want trendy. Add that. That's the specific collection. And they get 1 for 50% off. This is the discount value right here. Again, we'd want to click specific collections. Trendy. Add that. Boom. That's done. So you could have it set so they can't get the discount more than 1 time per order. So if they were trying to get 4 items, buy 4 items with 2 at 50% off, you could do this. So then no, they can't. They can only do it 1 time. Sales channel. This can be promoted through Facebook and Instagram, or point of sale, which would be an in-person location. This would be. And this right here will integrate with your Facebook shop, which is awesome. Customer eligibility again. We went through all this. Active dates. Bing, bong. Boom. Done. So for example, now you have 2 active codes. And then if you wanted to delete them, you can go through here. You can deactivate it here. You can activate it right now. You can deactivate it right now. You can go right here, select them all, and you can also delete them right here. Boom.